Guys, it's Leon, and today I got me an Aquasonic. This is not a Sonicare, but is an Aquasonic toothbrush. I want to try this thing out because I saw it online and I go, you know what? I've been using Sonicare for, I don't know, 20 years now, and maybe it's time to look at another brand, another alternative. And this thing popped up like #1 on the list when I searched for it. So I gotta check it out, guys. So today you are looking at this with me. So yeah, let's open this up and take a look here. So like I was saying earlier, I have been using Sonicare for a long time. Actually, I just did a review on one right here. Not sure if you can see this or not. Yeah, whatever. But anyway, that's the 9500 Sonicare. So I wanted to take a look at this because it looks like some of the feature that is on this Aquasonic is kind of the same as the high-end one. All right, so first off, let's go ahead and take a look at this here. Comes with 3 brush, a wireless charger, just like my old Sonicare. This is what puts it in line with the more high-end Sonicare right here. Is a case. You actually don't get a case with the lower end Sonicare anymore. Can I open it? Can I open it? Oh, there we go. It feels just like a Sonicare, actually. Very nice, Aquasonic. There's actually some of the modes on here. I have been using an older one that really don't have different modes at all. It's just straight clean your teeth kind of thing. There's no different mode on here. Clean, soft, whitening, and massage. It has a lot of different modes that I didn't think would have in a price point like this. And then check this out. In the case, there are 2 more toothbrush heads. So guys, a total of 5 toothbrush heads in here. By the way, let me just point out one thing about the case here. The case actually has a little hole right here where if you do have, if you would travel and you take this thing out of your handle, the water will actually drain down there, and yeah, so it won't stay inside there. So there you have it. I'm glad they come with a case because, like I was saying earlier, the older, the lower end Sonicare does not come with a case at all. Did they give me an extra pack? Because guys, there's like another pack in the box right here. So what's the count now? There's 2 toothbrush heads here, 3 in each pack. So that makes it 8 toothbrush heads. You're definitely getting a lot for this package right here. All right, let's go ahead and plug this thing in and take a look here. So it's charging. Yep, wireless charging, just like the Sonicare. Now, the one thing I do notice though is that this right here, you won't be able to use your Sonicare on to this base. Just in case, you know, if your significant other have a Sonicare and you're getting this, it's going to be 2 different ones because this this head right here, or this tip right here, is actually thicker than the Sonicare. So the question that I have, one is, see how loud it is. So this is whitening. That's massage. It's not as loud as the Sonicare. Actually, it might be quieter. Let me check. Here you go. Sonicare, start. Aquasonic. Nope. Sonicare. Aquasonic. You guys hear it, right? Sonicare is actually louder than the Aquasonic. Maybe it's just a different mode, but yeah, not loud at all. This is lighter. Obviously, this has a lot more tech inside of it because of the wireless charging and stuff like that. But definitely a lot lighter. So I would say is even good for your kids if they were to use one of these. Yeah. Last thing that I want to test when I was looking at this. Will a Sonicare toothbrush head work on this? Since, you know, once again, your significant other might be using a Sonicare and you're using one of the Aquasonic here. So here's the Sonicare toothbrush head. It looks like it fits pretty well. Yeah, it does work. And it sounds soft. Yeah. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. It does work. Just like the Sonicare that I have downstairs. And it comes with tons of extra toothbrush heads. You're not gonna need to buy a toothbrush head for probably a year or so. But anyway, that's it right there. That's the Aquasonic. I can't wait to try this out. Yeah, so anyway, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.